Hi everyone. In this video, we will explain how to monitor a Linux system using MCM. We will start by logging into the MCM cluster as an account admin. Navigate to Monitor Health and click on Infrastructure Monitoring. As you notice, under the Resources tab there are no resources. You can click on the Get Started button. Otherwise, you can also click on the Administration tab at the top and select Integration on the next screen. Select ICAM agent. We will be deploying an ICAM agent in the Linux machine that we want to monitor. On the next page, give the integration a name, scroll down and click on the Download File button to download the ICAM agent configuration file. This file we will use later to configure the agent. You can opt to save the integration as well. The next step is to download the agent. Visit the Knowledge Center to get the exact part number that we need to download to install the ICAM agent on Linux. Download the part number from Partner World. Copy the agent configuration file and the downloaded agents installation file to the Linux machine that we want to monitor. For the agent to work, we need to install the BC utility. Please note that the requirement can be different depending on the flavor of Linux you are using. Hence, visit the prereq page for more details. Install the BC utility. The next step is to configure the downloaded agent installation file. Create a folder called configured to save the configured installation. Run the preconfig command with the source directory where the agent tar file is located and the destination directory where the configured agent installation file will be saved and the environment properties file. It may take a while. Wait until configured tar file is created. Untar the configured file. Navigate to the resulting folder and run the install apm agent.sh command. Follow the prompt to install the appropriate agent. In this case, we will select 18, which is the monitoring agent for Linux operating system. Follow the rest of the prompts. Once the agent is installed, you can check the status of the agent. For that, visit the agent installation directory. The default is /opt/ibm/apm/agent. Navigate to the bin folder inside it. Run the os-agent.sh command with status as the keyword to check the status of the agent. It should indicate that the agent is running and the server connection status is connected. Next, navigate to the MCM console again and log in as an account admin. Navigate to the resource section. Under there, you will notice the Linux system. Click on that and click on the machine name where you have just configured the agent. You will be able to see the monitoring data from the Linux machine. You can also scroll down and configure your own custom matrix if it is not already present. This concludes the video on how to monitor a Linux system using MCM.